All right, oh my people, and welcome back onto this channel. Well, no be small something, no, still on the matter. Yoruba Nation, no going back. Exactly what it is, exactly what the people are talking about. Yes, onto this one, my brother, my sister, it does finally show. Say all these people, where they call themselves Fulani people, will be lawmakers. Na rubbish, na him then they do. Na people will be say they ready by all Nigerians. See, all of them, their secrets don't expose. They don't expose now. In fact, you don't show all of them be barao, them be onyoshi, ole. You can imagine. Look at what this Fulani lawmaker came out to say. My brother, my sister, this is why we all need to shine our eyes. As far as this country is concerned, hey, my brother, my sister, if you see they shout one Nigeria, you are on your own. See what in this man they talk now. He talk say he go support death penalty for corruption, and he can say make them buy anybody wey be say he thief more than 1 billion naira. Say if the person never thief 1 trillion naira, say make them leave and may he go. See the people wey be say they can sit down call themselves lawmaker. According to wetin dey happen, this man wey they call Senator Ndume, he come outside. He say like this. He come talk say anybody wey be say he steal government money, wey be say he no reach 1 trillion naira, say make dem leave am. Say make dem leave am. Say that one never do any bad thing. Meaning all of them only anymore. Now, my brother, my sister, come to think of it, if our people wey they call themselves lawmaker, all these Fulani people. Now then even they come outside, they talk this thing. Say you fit thief. That is why the country did as it did. Meaning you fit best way be say fit thief if he buy. So that one don't mean anything. Now these kind of people go come outside, they talk say if anybody come outside, if anybody buy only 2 people or 3 people, if you never buy a whole community, say me they leave them. That is why they go come outside. Can they tell us then be repentant Boko Haram even after they don't buy thousands of people. You can imagine waiting this lawmaker they talk, this Fulani man. Hey, my brother, my sister, no be small something. No, we need to wake up. We need to shine our eyes. Well, according to the news, the chief whip of the Senate, Ali Ndume, has revealed that he would support the death penalty for those stealing government money, cautioning that those who steal 1 million naira or 1 billion naira should not be killed. If you steal 1 million naira up to 1 billion naira, even if the masses, if they buy, you know, concern, I say that one, she may they not buy them. Say, but say until you steal 1 trillion naira, now him the figure say okay, you don't corrupt. My brother, my sister, which kind country with this? So for those stealing government money, cautioning that those who steal 1 million naira or 1 billion naira must not be killed, but someone who steals 1 trillion naira of government money should be killed. You can imagine. Now, Ndume also noted that corruption in Nigeria is people driving, admitting that politicians steal and then share with the people. Politician gan ton jí pé ṣebí wọ́n fún àwọn aráàlú náà pé tán bá tí àti jí up to 1 trillion naira. Báwọn ò tí ì ṣẹ̀ pé pàápàá jùlọ owó yìí gan tí gbogbo yín ń pariwo pé ají tá ń kó náà pé àwọn aráàlú yìí náà ṣebí ẹ̀yin náà là ń pín fún. Ṣé ń rọ́rọ̀ wèrè lẹ́nu olórí burúkú? Ṣé ń gbọ́ ilẹ̀ one Nigeria tí gbogbo ní kàwárí o. The same one Nigeria you said we should remain in. Look at the people. See, can you hear what lawmakers are saying? My brother, my sister, hey, we need to wake up. The chief whip stated this when he was featured on on Channels TV. On Channels TV Politics Today on Tuesday, when questions about the death penalty as the deterrent for those caught with drugs were being fielded. According to Ndume, he says, if you compare us politicians to all the corruption, it is very small. Our corruption is people driven. If you steal it, you will go and share it with the people. She been like the year say now because now people they make them say make them they carry money so that they go fit share with the people. How many people these people they give money? Now they share money they go around. Now in the country be like this, money they go around. Now everybody now they cry every day. I check social media which day see that woman will come outside with 4 children, no husband. This woman only pepper. For her to even get pepper, to even take cook na problem. Now this woman get only pepper, so she wan cook soup, no garri, no money to buy garri, no even money to buy kerosene. My brother, my sister, and you come dey tell us say una dey share this money. My brother, my sister, as far as this country is concerned, the people that are ruling, they are selfish people. We have said it. No wonder many of them go come and say restructuring na im they want. After they buy people up and down, they go dey talk about restructuring, because they know say from that money wey they wan use take that's restructuring, na only them go chop the money. Baba God is bigger than them. That is why we are saying this country, they no go fit ever help anybody. It can never favor anybody, because the people there, they are greedy. Because the people there, they are in fact, I don't want to use this adjective, but they are not people you should be with. That is why we need to wake up, open our eyes, look at people that tell us they are lawmakers. So you can steal more than 1 billion naira and nothing should happen, but to G up to 1 trillion. Do you know what is 1 trillion naira? In fact, do you know what is, even if you steal if poor man, that's why that musician talk say, if poor man wey thief maggi, they go carry in case go crime fighter, but politician wey thief 1 million naira, they go say him try, they go even clap for him. That is the kind of country we are in. Well, according to what had been said, according to Ndume, if you compare us politicians to all corruption, it is very small. Our corruption is people driven. If you steal, you can imagine, if you steal it, you will still go and share it, meaning they know say then they thief. Hi, they know say then they thief our money, and then everybody still quiet. Say like one Nigeria, we are together. There is no love. My brother, my sister, it has gotten to that level, that stage. Everybody needs to go in separate ways. There is no two ways about it. If you compare us to politicians, to all the corruption, it is very small. Our corruption is people driven. If you steal it, to buy G, you will go and share it with the people. If you don't, you are not coming back for 4 years. There is no reason for stealing. I have been to the National Assembly. I can't say because we are on TV now and not telling the truth. If the death penalty is supposed to be included in corruption, I will support it, but you don't go and kill someone that stole 1 million naira or 1 billion naira. But someone who steals 1 trillion naira of government money should be paid. Shengbo, ṣé pé òun ò ní pé corruption pé kó máa fún wọn ní penalty o, wey you know say make dem no penalize anybody wey steal money or say, but if person wey steal 1 million or 1 billion naira, say those ones make dem no do am anything. Say but a person wey steal up to 1 trillion naira, na that kind person na him don commit. My brother, my sister, no be small something o. Yes, so according to this man, the death penalty is the best deterrent for those being caught for drugs. If you do drugs, you are killing people. Okay, that means you have destroyed the lives of so many people and they killed so many people, he said. Well, meanwhile, Vanguard reported that the Senate passed the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency Act Amendment Bill 2024 bill, which prescribed the death penalty for persons found guilty of trading in hard drugs and then narcotics. Where many legal icons and then CSOs have condemned the bill, noting that it is not the way out to stop drug trafficking in the country, while many clamored for strict border control, something that tackling the poverty rate in the country will stem the ugly tide of drug trafficking. Yes, now the cocoa now they say all these politicians, they don't expose themselves finish. They don't show to us say as far as this country is concerned, na them they kill us. They don't show say as far as this country is concerned, they fit thief as much as 1 billion naira, but so far it never reached 1 trillion naira. Say nothing suppose happen to them. My brother, my sister, you dey out there, you dey shout one Nigeria. Shebi na see people wey say that they put us for where we dey now. Many people dey outside there. Then some people say they never even eat. Somebody they say you never eat rice for the past 3 months. I shock. I can't ask am, oga, why you never eat rice? He say, where for one see money, say rice don't cost. Woman being this country, we never eat rice for 4 months. My brother, my sister, for 4 months person never eat rice, and then somebody did there say if he thief up to 1 billion and nothing dey happen, and then I can't see make all of us still wait, make we still dey shout one Nigeria. And which person dey talk this thing? All this Fulani leader, na dem dey talk this thing. They don talk am many times, say they are born to rule, say dem born them to rule us, so anything wey dem do dem jello. My brother, my sister, many people don react sha. Na this man wey dem dey call Indume, na him talk this thing and the people sit down, then they look am. Well, according to what I have here, many people have reacted, coming from Olayode Olaniran. He said, well, same stealing is stealing. Okay, same. Once you are able to steal 1 million public fund, you should be killed. All of you are thieves. Shengbo, my auntie, so he said to 1 million. In fact, what is it? 1 million is even too much. Public fund, no be your money. If you thief 100,000 naira, can't pay danu. But so lori buruku ni gbogbo yin. Can't pay danu. Yes. Now, because the problem we are being faced with in this country, now these politicians, they don't care. I don't care attitude. Even the ones that have retired, because they are still getting some benefits, they don't care about you. All they will be saying is restructuring is the best for us. And a lot of people are being paid on a daily basis because they cannot fend for themselves. Nibini has covered the whole country. Nobody sends you, and you are telling us to remain in this country, to remain in this contraption called a country. Well, according to Alfred Ochai, say, well, if drug dealers should receive death penalties because the drug they deal in by people, then government officials who steal public fund also kill people, you see, and they should all face the same penalties of death, irrespective of the amount. Maybe he fails within the 1 million to billion category, so he advocated for their exception. You can imagine. Now that they talk, say people will carry drugs, say all those drug work where they do, say nah, they kill people. And then you don't forget, say if you thief money, will be say people supposed to use they chop. Person will not eat for how many days now because corruption the country. Now bag of rice now how much? Now about 80,000 naira. Now only God know where they go now. Somebody will not eat for many months. Waiting you did you where you steal money, no be buy you they buy the person. So now somebody don't come out and say now the same punishment they supposed give all of now. Maybe if this punishment feel really start, if it feel stand, then things go better. But the truth of the matter is all these people where you they see, they don't make up their mind and then go continue. For these people to come outside and say, okay, if you thief 1 million naira, you thief 1 billion naira, I'll say they still pardon you. But if you can't steal up to 1 trillion, so make we wait, make una steal 1 trillion naira before we go know say una they try. Baba God, now your hand with day. Well, look at this type of people making laws. Okay, this one is coming from Ozo Aquiliko. He said, look at this type of people making laws for Nigerians, people with no brain. I thought, look at this fool. He's saying here he doesn't know that crime is crime, whether 1 billion naira or 1 kobo. He is looking for escape route because he is a corporate only. You see, that's exactly what we are talking about, my brother, my sister. As far as this country is concerned, we don't talk the best let us go our separate ways. We cannot continue like this because the people there, they have not shown us enough. No wonder people will be hungry. They will be buying themselves a car, an SUV of 160 million naira, yet people will say they vote them inside that place, they never chop, and then they tell us, say make we still remain. It has shown that we can never be together. It has shown that nothing is working. The best thing is let everybody go his separate ways. All right, my brother, my sister, and exactly what it is onto this one. What more can we say? Meanwhile, let me have your own take on this, and remember to subscribe for more updates if you are just joining us on this channel for the first time. All right, thanks and God bless.